November 12th, Saturday at St. Mary's Food Bank. Got some of the Phoenix philanthropists and Big Brothers Big Sisters are with us today. This is the salvage room in which donated food is sorted into the proper category and then goes to the packaging lines to be packaged. We have individuals that are sorting, and then it goes to the corresponding boxes for whatever item needs to go in. Mixed vegetables, other vegetables, tomato products.